Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Here we present to you the mighty Karela or bitter gourd. This is my mom's recipe. Thought it was too easy to feature here, but one of my friends likes it so much and she really requested it, so here it is. For those folk who don't like this vegetable because they think it is too bitter, this recipe will definitely convert them to a Karela-loving aficionado. And while cooking, let's remember to take time to reflect on the most compassionate way to deal with any situation and quietly wait for an approach to present itself. And so here goes the recipe. We start with half a pound of Karela or 250 grams. For that, we need some heavy-duty tamarind paste. If you have regular tamarind, it's okay, but tamarind paste is preferable. Jaggery, which is a sugar from India, it's a local sugar. 1 tablespoon ginger, curry leaves, and green chilies. All of these you will get in the Indian store. And we are going to process the Karela. If you don't have a food processor, just grate the Karela. We use all of it. The seeds and everything. The seeds have a really nice crunch, so I do use the seeds. Now put in the chilies and the curry leaves in the food processor. And you process it. Just pulse it a few times. Don't make it too fine. It should be coarse crumbs like that. And see, the seeds usually don't get processed, but they really give it a nice crunch. So leave the seeds in. Now take 2 tablespoons of oil. You need a little bit more oil in this, not too much more, but a little bit more. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and a little bit of hing. And all of this should be on medium heat. Don't increase the heat too much for this. Don't underestimate the deliciousness of this recipe just because of its simplicity. You will see how tasty this is. Add the Karela. Now add the coriander powder and the ginger and some turmeric and mix to coat all the spices really well. All this while it is cooking. And then now add half a teaspoon of tamarind paste. It should be a heavy duty tamarind paste. If it's light, then add a little bit more. You need jaggery, 2 tablespoons of it. You should almost like fry it. Do not cook for too long. Add salt at this point. So it's like frying. Now put the lid on. After about 5 minutes, you will have that delicious, delicious dish. It is so amazingly tasty. But before we taste it, let's remember, you take time to reflect on the most compassionate way to deal with any situation and quietly wait for an approach to present itself. Okay, let's taste this. There's several things that are happening in my mouth. The perfect blend of sour, bitter, and sweet. It's so delicious, and I love the crunch of the seeds. It's really yum yum.